Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study Maths Vikas Gupta easy method. Begin by identifying core concepts, then map how they connect and prioritize the hardest topics first. Use short focus sessions and tackle one concept at a time with clear goals. Stay consistent, ask simple questions, and write solutions step by step. This method builds confidence and helps you solve problems more quickly and with less stress. Use active learning to turn passive reading into real progress by solving problems and explaining solutions aloud. Start with a worked example, then immediately try a similar problem without looking. Break complex steps into smaller pieces and verbalize why each step works. This practice builds deep understanding and exposes gaps quickly. Keep sessions short and frequent to maintain focus and retention while steadily increasing challenge. Quick recommendation before we continue. If you're studying long hours, comfort matters, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable, comfy socks that really hold up. If you like the tip, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful content. Check the description for the link and other deals that make study time easier and comfier. Now let's get back to the video. Make a flexible practice plan with timed problem sets and focused review of mistakes to convert errors into lessons. After each session, write a short note on what went wrong and create a mini-lesson to fix it. Mix older topics with new ones to strengthen long-term recall. Gradually increase time pressure with mock tests and track progress so you can confidently tackle exam-style questions without panic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.